Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and make a stop over here. We have been advised that there is an abandoned mine, and everybody elected to go ahead and take a look at the mine. So we're gonna go sightseeing for a second, and let's see what the environment has to offer. Alrighty, it looks like everybody's parked. They got yourself in motion over here. In fact, let's take a look. Got all those vehicles right behind me. Ooh, I got a good convoy going on. My goodness. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look around and see what we find. If I can get all these fellas on my way, I'd like to take a peek too. Well, I wasn't kidding, it's just a shaft.
You might be able to.
Unless you got a glow stick, you ain't gonna find out what's down there.
I would have thought they would have collapsed it or closed.
Something. They did that to Lincoln Mine and a couple other mines in that area.
Can you hear it?
Oh yeah. We went camping out there.
That's just the ladder going all the way down.
Yep. No glow stick, can't see what's going down there. Alrighty. So from here you can see everybody just stretching their legs, walking the dog. Hopefully they're hiding, taking a bio break somewhere, checking out the mine. What a great turnout. Look at all these Jeeps. Wonderful, look at that.
What are you going to do this at the beginner grill next time?
Oh my gosh.
You go the first time.
Oh my God, I think they'd be terrified.
Well, see, the trick is we hope everybody is ready.
That is a beautiful sight. Look at all that land. Oh, wow. And all this is on a mountain. It's beautiful. Alrighty. Yeah, from this point right here, we're just gonna try and enjoy the rest of the moment over here. Like I said, we're gonna take a break, take a look around, see what we can find, maybe learn something from the area, and then we'll get going as soon as we're done. We should be almost done. We probably got about an hour left on the run. From this point on, it should be very smooth. According to Jeep terms, it'll be smooth for a Jeep. So the rest of the days, as they say, it's gonna be easy peasy. So we're gonna just take our time and we'll get going from there. Have a great day. Every time you send them some food, they bring it back like gold. All right, so there wasn't much to see about the shaft. I mean, it's neat to look at, but it really is that, just a shaft. And there's a ladder going all the way down, but so low, you can't see what's down there. Probably be a good idea to toss down some glow sticks to see if you can get any kind of image of what's down there. But unfortunately, not today. So everybody's getting all saddled up right now. We're all gonna climb back in our Jeeps and get going one more time. All right, see you in a minute. Alrighty, y'all. At this point right here, we went ahead and made it to another mine that we're going to take a look at. We're going to go ahead and stretch our legs, take in the sights, and hopefully we'll find something more exciting than just a very dark, very deep, dark mine. Hopefully we get some more footage out of this spot than the last one. Alright, see you in a minute.
Forgot who was behind me. I was like, oh my God, no man! Do you know what I learned when I did a run a while back? So we came across a trash dump like this. If it's been there for 50 years, it's an artifact. You can't remove it. Yeah, I didn't know that. I thought it was a bunch of junk, but it's a land dump or whatever. But if they've been there for 50 years, it has to stay. That's just someone. I don't know how people come in. Well, I'll just dump it here. You make this trail all the way out here to dump your trash? Makes no sense. I love this. I love this run. Parking's always a bitch. What is up? Yeah. Oh, I bet. I mean, you guys get creative when it comes to parking. That's definitely it. I just think we're going to back up, pull in together because we're all going to form the train, which is even better. I like that. 4 off Plata. Yeah. Now here's a scary thought. I brought my stepdad, my father-in-law, for 80-year-old. He climbs up on this damn grade to get pictures. Oh my God, what are you doing? So many Jeeps. I love this. The more the merrier. It is. But the whole thing was he's 80 and he crawled up on there to take pictures down and in, and it was just. You can get up there. You're about half the weight he is. Maybe. Yeah, you're safe to go up there. I like that. Yeah, there's lots of Rick did that one, huh? I don't know that one. This is the only one I know of that has the shaft with the line. And I got some the other one. Coliseum, I've never been out there. That was it? Oh, okay. Oh, how cool. we got one more stop just on the other side of the mountain. Five-star mountain. You know what? No. I see that one. I've not seen that one. I've been up here and never paid attention. Oh, really? Holy crap. That isn't, I never noticed it. Many times I've never noticed these two holes. That's even better. Yeah, go down. That was the blue. Yeah, take a walk in there. Imagine you see the board in there, it probably drops from there. I don't know. It's not boarded up. Maybe it is inside. There is, we're going to take off straight and go around to the other side. So there's another structure back there, which is really cool.
All right, so we're getting all lined up here. We're gonna try and squeeze in as best we can. We're at mine number 2. Let's take a look. Hey, there's a shack over here. Let's take a look at the shack. Hey, Patty. Let's see what's going on. This is a little wondrous little spot. That's a nice little piece of history right here. And of course, respectively, we're not going to interrupt it. This is a piece of history, so we're going to just observe, take a look. We will not disturb it. Let's see what else is going on around here. Ooh. And as you notice, there's plenty of artifacts laying around anywhere. And the basic rule is if any item that you find looks a few decades old, we leave it alone. That is an artifact of history and we will not disturb it. Don't know what that is, but that's probably your new hip-hop dance table. Yeah, you don't want to see this old man do that. Talk about creating an earthquake. How deep is the shaft? Does it look dark down there?
It's dark. You can see the bottom now.
You can?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's not as deep as the other one.
You can actually see the bottom.
Hey, you want to do me a solid? While you're there, you want to take some of that footage for me?
Just down to see what it looks like down there.
Figure, since this fat guy had a chance to climb me up there. Yeah, right?
Yeah, I'm not going to drop it down there.
Oh, please, it's a 10. I don't give a shit.
There we go. I think I got it.
Yeah, that's the problem.
How deep is it, do you think? This is the bottom?
All right. One of our group members did me a favor taking some footage of down the shaft, which was a wonderful sight. It saved me from having to climb up on that platform. You know, so at this point right now, we're just taking a look at the trail, what we drove through. From a different angle, so you can get a better perspective of the height of where we're at. What you got over there? The one you're pointing at?
There's one there, there's one up there in the hill.
Yep. Alrighty, and there you have it for this spot right here. For the rest of the moment that we're at this stationary period, We're just gonna go ahead and relax, stretch our legs, find somewhere to hide so I can go pee pee. You know, we've been holding it for 4 hours. Can't find any private area. More so for the ladies, it's very, very difficult. But we're gonna try and make do. So let's go ahead and finish our break, and I'll be back with you momentarily. All right, we went ahead and finished our break over here. We're actually gonna roll out. We're gonna get to the other side of the mountain for another higher, more elevated view. And then we're gonna take it from there. See you in a moment. Alrighty, we stopped at another part of the mine. There's not really much to look at. We're still gonna get out and investigate, but it looks like it could have been a chute, but it's like a fraction of what it should be. It's a non-functional device. It's still left there for history's sake and preservation, but there's not much to look at, so I'm really not gonna capture any footage of it. Alrighty, looks like we had another good time visiting another piece of the mine. Everything is looking good. We're about to saddle up and get up on out of here. Get back on the trail again. Alrighty, we just got word from the leader that the next stop is Knott Hill, which is gonna be our last stop. Wow, they're looking pretty good. It's only 12:30. The run started at 8 o'clock. By the time we got on the road, it's 12:30 now. It'll probably be another half hour, so it should be done shortly. It's actually been a very great trip. I love the fact that we had such a large group today, over 20 vehicles today. And getting to know some members that we haven't seen in a while is also a good plus here. Fantastic day. Alrighty, we're gonna go ahead and wait for the last call from the leader, and then we're gonna roll out. See you in a minute. We have stopped at another spot. I think this is our last spot we're gonna stop at. Not 100% sure. We actually made it all the way to Knott Hill. Beautiful scenery, huge rocks and boulders everywhere. I'm gonna take a look real quick. I know that we got some footage of it already.
I count 20.
And okay, we got all 20. And we found this could be a really cool camping spot with all the spots that we found. Oh my goodness. This is definitely a sight to see. Again, having a great day. This is such a fun trip. Wow, I'm just speechless right now. I can't think of anything else to say about this particular trail, this trip, our leader and the group. Man, good times, man, just good times.
These rocks are awesome.
It's just out of nowhere. That's what it cracks me up. It's unbelievable.
Sail left at the Y.
Copy. When that row fills up, we can go on the other side and fill up that row too. keep going back. Go back a little bit. Perfect, yeah. This is amazing out here, in my opinion. It's just stunning. Yeah. I often sit there and say they open a bag and dump them all here. It's just out of nowhere. And it goes all the way up in here, but this is we can also go up past this row and start on the other side and the opposite side. See, now this would be the drone shot right here. This is when Rick did his 4 river. He did. Copy. When Rick did his 4 runs and they had, I don't know, 30 or 40 Jeeps here. I have a drone shot of all of the Jeeps there. It's amazing. It's nice to see that many Jeeps in one spot.
Where do you want them, up here?
You just go up on the other side of this one, and then when that fills up, we'll just fill up this side. And we'll just keep going down the road. If they can fit there, that's fine. If not, he gets a little tight in here. How cool. That's what I need, my hat. I keep forgetting my hat. When my brain starts cooking, I realize I should have had my hat.
I gotta have that.
Yeah. I always forget it. Yeah, either side, wherever you can find. Isn't this amazing? They got what a runaway up there. Basically just pick a side and park. Yeah. Find it and park it. Yeah, One day I'll learn, but not today.
Alrighty, we made it to the end of the trail. We're gonna go ahead and get all set up. We're gonna air up our tires, get back on the highway, and head home. This has been a wonderful adventure. Thanks for joining us at Defiant Jeep. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to join us on DesertWranglers.club. We'll be seeing you soon. Have a great day.